all beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are on the day 17th of our 21 days makeup course. So today I am going to teach you different kind of eyeliners which you can go with, and it is very easy. If you just I think so everybody have the eyeliner with them at home. They can take this and they can practice these eyeliners to become pro. So today's course is very important course, and today's video is very important video. Just watch this video in which I'll be showing you the different kind of like eyeliners. Already I'll be like I have done the base and all. I'll be like teaching you different kind of liners with different kind of like amazing techniques which you even can't think of. It is very easy techniques. If you don't know to like draw a wing liner, I'll be showing you the easy trick for that also. For that, watch the whole video so that you can understand each and everything very deeply. In next video we'll be like learning the makeup brushes knowledge and everything. For that, stay connected. And also, to start with today's video, let us start. Okay, to start with, let me like introduce you to the liners, that what are the different kind of liners. You will get the liners in the gel form. It is like from Forever 52, in the like cream form, and the most of the used liners like Lakme and all, these liners you will get in this form, like the liquid form. And mostly you will get the liners in this form on. Also, this form is called as a, this is from the Malio Cosmetics. I bought this from Delhi, so it is in the pen form. Okay, you will get the liners in different forms, whichever you feel as you are comfortable with drawing the liner, you can go with that. If you are comfortable with cream, you can go with cream. If you are comfortable with going with gel, you can go gel. If you are comfortable with going with pen, you can go with the pen. Okay, so today we'll learn about that what are the different kind of like liners. Okay, if I just show you this technique, this is a very, the very awesome technique. The people who don't like the like applying the mostly like the liners, the people who have like mostly very kind of like hooded eyes in which the eyelid is like not at all visible, those people can take the kajal and apply it in the waterline, in this waterline, above waterline, so that, see, if you apply this one above the waterline here, you can see the difference here and here. It is mostly, it will give you an enhancement. Okay, this is the first type of liner. So it is a very easy liner. If you are like office going or college going, you can apply this and you can leave. It is like more than enough. Now let us see what is the like next, what is the like second kind of liner. To show the second kind of liner, I'll take this pen liner. What I'll do is I'll make a thin line. Thin line will start from here until end. You should be you should apply only the thin line. You shouldn't go thicker, only apply the thin line. Okay, till here also go with thin line, and it should like touch the water line. It should be very close to the above water line. This liner is very thin liner from here to there, and mostly it looks nice on the hooded eyes people. The hooded eyes people don't go for like wing liners and all. This much is like more than enough. Okay, the third type of eyeliner is from here it will be thin, while going it will become thicker, while going here it will become little bit thicker. See, while going here it will become little bit thicker and it will be a thin liner here. So this is like most amazing liner, and it also looks very nice. See, from here it is thin, from here it has become thick. Okay, now I'll show you what is the wing liner. To apply the wing liner, it is like mostly if you like the wing liner and for everyday use also, you want to go with the wing liner, then go with smaller wing. Okay, take the middle, from middle, take the line till here and join the line till here. See, this is a small wing liner. This is a very small wing liner you can like go with. Again, the next step will be, I will be showing you the little bit bigger, the wing liner with the help of this cat line. Okay, we'll do a cat eyeliner. Mostly this also will not look good on hooded eyes, but still to teach you, I'll be showing you this also. Okay, so see, for this I'll make it little bit bigger here. It will go bigger till here, then what it will be, till here it will come as a wing, Here also you'll get a wing here. Okay, here also you should create a wing. The people who are of the like not the I mean in I said you there are like closed set eyes, wide set eyes and everything. The people who are of the wide set eyes, if they apply, their eyes will be so seen as little bit nearer. Only the people of the wide set eyes who have like most area here, the most area here is like wider, then those people can go with this kind of liner. Okay, this kind of like liner is very good. Then same with the wing liner, mostly these are the liners used in the like makeup for the brides and everything. I will show you one more liner with very easy technique which you can go with. Okay, easy technique, I'll just show that kind of liner. See, if you are not able to create a wing, what you can do is take a eyeliner which is like already made, this Forever 52 liner which is Go Wing Pro Wing liner. Okay, this is a very good liner in which here you will get a pen and this side you will get a wing stamp. So you can just do a wing, you no need to like do a wing with like line and like do the mistakes. You can go with this will give you amazing wing, but make sure to like practice this kind of liners before with the liners, then you can use this kind of like liners. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll make a stamp here. I got a wing here. Now what I'll do is I'll just do it in this way. Okay, this is the one way. Now the next way what it is this, you can use this clip for the wing. So you can just keep the clip like this and do the wing, or else you can just apply the liner here and keep here and make a stamp of the wing, then you can go with the wing. Okay, next step will be like from the card. For the card, what you can do is apply the liner little bit in the ends here. Apply the liner little bit in the ends here. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. What you can do is then you can just keep and make a line here and make a one more line there so that you can get a wing. For this wing, what I'll do is I'll make it little bit neater here, this side, and then I'll do it here. Okay, this is a very good liner in which you can like already make a wing like this. Like see, you can make a wing and you can just put a liner. So this is a very good easy technique for this liner. So in this I'll be showing you, this is the one kind of liner. For the liners, like you have like maybe you have like heard of the liners. Maybe you have like heard of the liners which are called angeled wing liners. Angeled wing liners, for those liners what you have to do is put a wing like this. Then what you have to do is take the line here. Take a line, make a line here. And then, sorry, in this it is not at all so visible. So what I'll do is, I'll just show you with the the gel liner how to make a angel wing. Take this gel liner from Sugar Cosmetics. Now what I'll do is, I'll take a line from here, then I'll do it here. Then fill this box. For this, take little bit upside like this, the wing. For this, take till here and fill it. This is the angel wing. Angel wing, for that I'll just put the eyeliner from here to here. You can see how it will get created. See, this is the angel wing liner. For this liner, what I'll do is I'll fill up the hole here so that it should look nicer and also the cleaner one. See, this is the angel wing liner. For this, what they'll do is they'll just give a smudging line here. So mostly this angel wing liner is used for the high fashion looks, not for the normal looks. So you can just learn to create a wing liner with the help of anything that I showed you, the clip, or else it is a visiting card or anything. This type of like liners are not mostly useful, but for high fashion looks and all, for the people who are like prominent eyes, whose eyes are very prominent, for them we'll use this kind of like angel wing liners. So this is the main basic eyeliners. If you learn this kind of like basic eyeliners, whatever eyeliner you see in the photo, whatever you feel, you can create an amazing result. So don't go for like ready-made things, but still I showed you the ready-made things, like to make from the visiting card, or to like make it from the like what do you say, the clip and all. Just try to like first learn in this way with the help of a gel or with the help of that kind of like liners. Once you are like become perfect in that, then you can use the ready-made things also. Okay, now this I feel so this was very helpful. Now let me know in comments that whether it was helpful or not. Again, this course is like going in Hindi also. I'm trying to like translate this course to Hindi also. I'll mention all the Hindi and the English playlist where I have like uploaded all the videos. You can go and watch again and again, make the notes, and take one more step forward towards your makeup journey. Till that, just stay connected. In next video we'll meet with this makeup look. By doing the whole face makeup look with the help of only 5 brushes, we'll meet in next video. Till that, stay connected and also stay safe. Don't forget to add any values in others' life. Okay, take care. Bye bye.